1932 Ford Roadster rumble seat car. Just in a unique specialty in classics. Now this is an all steel body. It's a Ford body. Want to let you know it is titled as a 2000 reconstructed, just because it has been street rotted obviously and built. Has a 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood now, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Does have 1932 bumpers on it. Flat black enamel paint. Disc brakes up front. Check out all the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, car from every angle, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. If you click on the link down below the video in the description, that's going to take you right to our website also. Steel wheels, wide white wall radials. Those are actually 1948 Mercury wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, all steel, Ford bodied car. Ford 9-inch rear end. Dual exhaust from the front to rear. As you can see, that old school flat black hot rod look. Ultra leather interior bench seat with a fold down armrest here, which I can flip out if you'd like to see that also. I have it both ways in the pictures. Some old sun gauges in there, cool look. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer look at that dash and interior. Matching rumble seat interior also back here. Seat belts, front and rear. Be a fun car for parades. Taking the grandkids out for some ice cream, or just taking a cruise. Be local roll-in, cruise-in, local shows. Again, 32 Ford rear bumper. This will also come with a cockpit cover, the side curtains for when the top's up. You'd like them on there, and then also some extra carpeting. Same that's in the car. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these street rods or 32 Fords in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. So we take a peek up and down the driver's side of this car. Now you can see where there's been previous work done. Kind of adds to the nostalgia of this old hot rod look. Changes made over the years. Technician did note too, it could use rear 4-link bushings and actually one right front bushing on the frame. I want to add that so you know. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Tilt column was added. That banjo style steering wheel. Side pockets in the doors. And as far as seating surfaces, that'll give you a good idea. Alright, I'm in park, so what I'm going to do is just turn this key over and fire this up. Do have the blinker on. The blinkers do work. I checked those earlier. And for the blinkers, they're actually incorporated in right there. And also the turn signal indicator works, as you can see on the column. Electric wiper does work also. Let's take a listen. 350 cubic inch, small block shell. Sounds good. Let me get the hood panels open. I want to show you the engine bay so we can take a peek at that. Then we'll check out the convertible top up and stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So hood panels open, sitting on the prop rods. supporting rods that they use. There it is. Running smooth. Looking good underneath there. All right, let me pause this a second. I'll fold that top up so we can take a peek at it real quick. And like I said, stick around to the area and Jason will take it for a drive. And the convertible top up. So you can see we do have a little wear, some discoloration staining on the front. Not going to affect how it performs though. This is a fabric top. And it can be completely removed also, obviously. Glass rear window. So no major holes or anything like that. Again, just some wear over here above that windshield. All right. Guessing most of the time this car is driven is with the top off or down. 1932 Ford Roadster with a rumble seat. You notice I folded that up so you can get a good look at the side of it and see the profile without that rumble seat. Open also. All steel Ford body. Remember, it is titled as 2000 reconstructed. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1932 Ford Roadster. Gauges by Sun. A lovely classic style with 32 Ford. This, an easy to drive, automatic on the column. Turn signal indicators working. A little bit of tire rub here and there if you turn and hit a bump. Nothing excessive. The nature of a hot rod. Water temperature approximately 170. The oil pressure is 40. We're doing 40 miles an hour, taking it easy, so the wind isn't too bad. The amps are showing over halfway the gauge, which is charging. Our fuel gauge shows a half of a tank. This isn't automatic on the column. It does have a soft top and no side windows, so you can run with the top or you can have completely down open Roadster. Stereo over here. Alpine speakers and a radio that looks like it's vintage 80s. Sounds good, very clear sound. Nice road feel to this car. The lightweight body, you do feel the road, which is what you want. It'll give it nice cornering. We'll show you that in a second. Comfortable bench seat in this car. Cream color with red pinstriping, or piping, you might say. So as you turn a little too hard, the tire does rub, but it does corner well. Great rumble to the exhaust. You get the classic look of the 32 Ford. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.